Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about 3 best shampoos for dry hair which are sulfate free and low in price. So whenever you want to buy sulfate free shampoos, you must have seen that they are very expensive. So I've come up with 3 shampoos which are low in price and will give you great results. Before we start, can you please take a second to subscribe to my channel by clicking the button below. So what are sulfates and why you should avoid them? Sulfates are the chemicals used in shampoos which are used to clean your scalp and hair, but it also strips away natural oils from your hair and scalp, leaving it dry, dull, and sometimes damages as well. So if you can avoid sulfates, then a sulfate-free shampoo will not strip away natural oil from your hair and scalp. So number 3 in my list is sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner from Herbal Essence. And this is the one I'm talking about. And this is the conditioner. So this is a very good range from Herbal Essence, which says sulfate-free, potent aloe and hemp shampoo and conditioner, the same. So why I picked this? Because this is not only sulfate free, but this is also 94% natural. So if you don't want too much of chemicals in your hair, then this is a really good choice of shampoo and conditioner. Only one little drawback, not really a drawback because it's really mild shampoo, is that if you have oiled your hair a lot, like we applied coconut oil something to your hair, and if you want to wash with it, you might need to wash twice because it doesn't strips away all the oil from your hair. But if you have got natural oil in your hair or a scalp, it can clean really nicely. I mean, you have to take a good amount of shampoo, but it does its job and it cleans properly. It will leave your hair really baby soft and smooth. So where do you buy these products from? You can buy these products easily online, and I'll give the links below in the description area. But if you're living in the UK, then you can buy them from stores like Boots and Superdrug. If you're living in India and you might not be able to find the same product, then you can go for other sulfate-free shampoos from Herbal Essence, and they are equally good. Or you can go for Biotic shampoo. I'll share the link of the Biotic shampoo below, but you can also find Biotic shampoo in the stores in India. And why Biotic? Because Biotic is very much equal to Herbal Essence, as Biotic is also natural, they're also sulfate free, and they are less chemical as Herbal Essence, and they'll give you similar results. So that's why I'm comparing Herbal Essence to Biotic. So second in my list is OGX sulfate free shampoos and conditioner. So why I picked OGX is because I did my keratin treatment some years ago to my hair, and I was looking for good sulfate free shampoos, and I bought really expensive ones which my hairdresser suggested of worth 25-30 pounds. I spent a lot of money, and then I came across OGX products, and trust me, they were equally good, giving me similar results what I was getting from expensive shampoos, even sometimes better. So this Brazilian Keratin Smooth is really good for frizzy and dry hair, but I've used other sulfate free shampoo from OGX as well, and I really liked this one, top of my list. And another one is Coconut One. That one is also good for dry hair, and rest all good, but these are the best. So what it does to your hair, it really cleans your hair properly, and it leaves your hair silky, smooth and soft. And good thing about OGX is it is available anywhere across the world. So you can buy it from stores, you can buy it online from Amazon. If you live in India, you can buy it from Amazon as well, or in stores. And this is slightly expensive than Herbal Essence, but still not that pricey, and it gives great results. Number 1 in my list is Kirkland shampoo and conditioner. I don't know how many of you heard about it, but let me show you these products. Kirkland is a company, US based company, and this is the conditioner. And why I picked this and why this is number 1. So firstly, they say here professional salon formula, and what they say is right. So just imagine if you can get a salon kind of shampoo and conditioner within the budget, which is low in price and sulfate free, and it gives you great results, then it has to be number one. What they do to your hair. Now these shampoos are really good for colored hair, dry hair, damaged hair. It leaves your hair really soft, smooth and silky. I know I've been saying this for all the 3 shampoos I've been talking about, but this is on the another level. This is salon kind of quality, and so this is slightly expensive as well when you compare to OGX and Herbal Essence, but again the results are also a little bit slightly better. And I've been using so many different brands of sulfate-free shampoos or shampoos for dry hair, and I've been experimenting for a few years. And these shampoo and conditioner I've been using for last 1 year, and I've been so happy, and I don't want to switch back to any other shampoos. Yes, I do use Herbal Essence when I want some like not make too much of chemical in my hair, or when this goes out of stock, this sometimes goes out of stock, then I have my OGX as a backup. But if I can get this, then no looking back. And just to let you know, I am not paid, or this video is not sponsored by any of the brands I've been talking about in this video. I really wanted to share my experience and my views about the products I've been using, so that my friends out there can get the same benefit as what I'm getting for the last few years. So where you can buy it from, if you live in the UK or I think in the US as well, you can buy it from Costco. That's a chain of stores, grocery stores, but you can find it easily on Amazon. It's not that much of price. Even on Amazon it's about 15-16 pounds, but this is 1 liter of a bottle. So when you're comparing the price, also check the quantity you're getting. But if you're living in India, this might become a little expensive. I think in India on Amazon you might find it for 4,500 rupees, which is slightly high. So I'll suggest, instead of going for this product, you can go for Khadi. Khadi is doing really great. Again, they are paraben free, they are sulfate free products, and I'll share some links for you guys in the description area to buy Khadi products. Anyway, Khadi products can be bought from any stores in India, or you can buy it from Amazon. I hope you found this video useful, as this video was much requested by some of you, and you've asked me in the past that if I can suggest some products for hair, dry hair. So I hope you liked the product I suggested, and feel free to give it a try. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new video released from my channel. Thank you.